Master clutch installed. Well, almost. We're going to run the line. Oh, good afternoon, everyone. Quick, quick video. The last one was way too long. Hope everyone's good. This is it. This is a new update. It's not exotic like the other one. Gonna have the brake line come out, turn, and then go through the hole like the original idea. Just gotta get the brake line. So, hope you're having a good day. Just a quick update. Problem solved on the pedal. That was exciting. Had to sleep on that one. Good. Have a great day. Talk to everyone soon. Get these wires hooked back up to our panel. Get ready. Everybody's excited. Talk to you later. This music, I don't know. It's almost too much.